back to my channel. Today we're making an extra special Valentine's Day treat. We're going to be making my super fudgy brownies. And I'm really excited to share this recipe with you today. And we're going to top it off with a really fun buttercream topping. For our ingredients, we'll need flour, cocoa powder, sugar, dark chocolate, butter, salt, vanilla extract, and my secret ingredient is espresso powder. We also have some eggs. Let's get started. To start, we're going to melt our butter and chocolate over a pot of simmering water, and this is a really gentle way to melt your chocolate so that it is nice and smooth. So let's get started with that. So now we're going to whisk together our eggs, our sugar, and our vanilla extract. So you want to whisk this until it's just combined, making sure that you don't over whisk it so that it's not cakey and doughy. So now we're going to sift in our dry ingredients. So now that our brownies have fully cooled, we're going to take them out of our pan, cut them up, and then decorate them. So this next step is optional, but I wanted to make my brownies extra special for Valentine's Day, and I made my Swiss meringue buttercream, which I dyed with pink food coloring, and we're just going to decorate the top of the brownies to make them extra special. So now it's time to try our brownie. I'm so excited for this. It's so fudgy and delicious, and the buttercream just sets it off. I absolutely love this recipe, and I hope you'll give it a try. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any recipe requests, please leave them down below. See you next time.